Imec Excom candidate vote for me, associations 114. Now, why? Number one, Imec is the most transparent association within this planet. That's why we are members and we are growing indeed. I have 34 years experience within shipping as CEO, leader, Candina Group. Fourth generation, 126 years old company. We've been through civil wars, world wars, knighted for the service to Finland, 22.5 years as honorary consul. I stopped that because discrepancies regarding not being able to get the top position. Only foreigners could, general consuls, which is a conflict of interest. So also surfing competitor, European bronze. Yes, I love the sea. Then Hull University Business Economics. I love statistics. Numbers talk to me. Also have Candina News YouTube. Therefore, it's a huge positive competitive advantage. We are in Panama and Spain, an area that Imec should really look to invest. Wrote an ebook already with ideas for 8 billion humans. Then also I'm fond in promoting ESG. For example, ocean wave, one wave 300 meters in Indonesia, in the west side of India, could really generate 330 jobs plus 10 more indirect, so that's 3,600 jobs. Then we have a Filipino, $150 each. Imagine there is 1 million, so that's 150 million per month savings. That's 1.8 billion a year. And that is only just one of the little ideas. If we reduce this seafarer enlistment agreement that my late father made about 70 years ago, no one has touched it. My job is to cut that net and gross wages and improve the wealth and the health of the seafarers. Also that 1.8 billion could be cut, 50% ship owners, 50% seafarers, why not? 11K ships within ITF and Imec, well, it could be 22. Yeah, we just have to cut fees 50%, like I mentioned last time. 90, okay, everybody got angry with me, just 50. Then we already have 306 members within Imec. If we cut the fees, because we have 8 million, 10 million, who knows how much money stuck there, could we invest it in Bitcoin? Come on, do it. And apart from that, could we have free fees? Let's do it. Perhaps instead of 306 members, we grow up to 1,000 members. Why not? Then also one education system for all the seafarers. Also, seafarers must have investment fund tax-free. Cash, I mentioned Bitcoin. Then also Department of Imec efficiency must be generated. Women must go. Equality is very important for me. Grants is what we have in Spain. Grants are for giving 4 million unemployed rights, and then also generating other 5 million of government workers, giving them rights. So we have 10 million of guys that we have to pay the tax for, and that's what I think about the grants of Imec. Then unfair competition, governments and labor unions compete, recruitment and placement, and that is one of the issues that no one is touching. I think it's really involving your competitive advantages. Then health and social security, we must improve for seafarers, zero tax I mentioned, and health prevention is an area that we must really work very hard. So please vote for me. Thank you. Bye.